Caigo hasta el fondo del mar, arañando la burbuja en que no está. Okay, enough of that. So I recorded this video and I filmed it in a completely trash angle. You really can't see anything. All you can really see is the gauge and the motorcycle, maybe my hands, the road. But we're gonna cut it a little short, alright? Gonna do you all a favor. I'm on my way to the gym. I had just gotten out of work, got home, got changed, hopped on the bike, headed to the gym. On the way to the gym, I talked about a couple of things. Not really sure what the topics were. Deleted the audio before even listening to it. But on the way back, matter of fact, when I was in the gym, it started pouring rain, and I've never driven in the rain. That's where this story starts. Enjoy. I just got out of the gym. My bike got all wet. My microphone got all wet. Hopefully, thank God I took my camera inside with me in my bag, because that didn't get wet. I'm like 20 minutes away from my house, and it looks like it's gonna keep fucking raining. I was hoping I was gonna be able to film some of it, but I don't think I'm gonna put my camera at risk. Fucking exhausted. I noticed that it was raining when I was still in the gym, but I didn't think it had rained for too long. I hadn't been paying attention, honestly. It's crazy, it rains so much in so little time. I don't even know how long I was in the gym. Maybe an hour or two. But yeah, it's my first time riding in the rain. I might just leave my camera on my helmet for just like video for footage later on. But you guys aren't going to be able to hear any of the audio because my microphone got wet, and so did my audio converter. So we'll see how that goes. We'll try to drive slow, make it home like that. Yep. Yeah, it's raining way too hard. I cannot, you guys can't see me, but I can't have the GoPro on, so see you guys at home. All right, so I'm like halfway home, and you guys saw that last clip. It had started pouring rain on me and my camera got wet, and for a split second it looked like the camera was fucked up, but it looks like it's fine. I found this little, it's like a, I think it's like a firefighter station where they keep the firefighter trucks, excuse me. It's really nice and bright out here. It's dark, but she looks so pretty. She looks so pretty. I'm fucking soaking wet. Well, matter of fact, I'm not even that wet, except for my pants. My pants were like sticking to my legs. They were so wet. But yeah, I'll update you guys when I get back home. Did ended up making it back home, and truly I don't recommend anybody riding the rain. It's fucking scary, it sucks, and I got home completely soaked. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini story. If you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, suggest a couple of things. I appreciate you. I love you. Peace out.